In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transfer contacts from Gmail to Outlook. The basic idea is simple. First, you will export your contacts from Google Contacts in a format made for Outlook, called an Outlook CSV file. Then you will import that CSV file into Outlook, so your contact names, email addresses, and other details carry over smoothly. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account. In the left side area of Gmail, look for the Google Apps launcher, which is the grid of dots. Click that launcher to open the list of Google Apps. From that menu, select Contacts. This takes you into Google Contacts, which is where Google stores the contact list connected to your Gmail account. Once you are in Google Contacts, you are going to export your contacts. Find the export option. Depending on your layout, it may be in the left menu or inside a menu such as More or Fix and Manage. Click Export to open the export settings. In the export options, choose the format labeled CSV for Outlook only. This is important because Outlook reads this version of the CSV file best, and it helps reduce issues with mismatched fields later. After selecting CSV for Outlook only, confirm the export by clicking Export. Your browser will download a CSV file to your computer. Take note of where it saves, such as your Downloads folder, because you will need to select that same file in a moment. Now switch over to Outlook on the web by going to outlook.live.com and signing in. From Outlook Mail, open the People or Contacts area. This is the section where Outlook stores your contact list. In the People page, click Import Contacts. You will see an option to browse for a file. Click Browse, then locate the CSV file you exported from Google Contacts. Select the file, then click Import to begin the upload. Outlook will process the file and add the contacts to your list. This can take a few seconds, especially if you have a large number of contacts. When the import finishes, click Close. Your transferred contacts should now appear in Outlook People. That covers everything you need to know.